Guys, come with me to try the famous Big Sushi here in Taiwan. So, ang daming beses ko na kasi yung nakita sa TikTok. Kumain na rin doon si Chuyang and it's just an 11-minute walk from our place. So, sabi ko it's time na kasi around 5:10 yung opening nila for dinner time hanggang 9 p.m. So, I'm just using Google Maps para mahanap ko yung place. Malapit lang pala to guys sa Ximending. So, kung malapit din kayo doon nagsistay, lakarin nyo na lang. So, they have a line guys. So, first you write your name there and cash only lang sila. Finally, we're in! So excited. Dito tayo. Thank you. Salmon. So they have free miso soup. Self-service lang. Thank you. First order na dumating ang aking salmon belly sashimi. Let's try na guys. This is their soy sauce. Lemon?
Lemon?
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Wasabi.
Oh, okay.
Sauce.
Sauce. Thank you. So next naman guys is the big sushi. Super big. So laki. May wasabi na siya sa loob. Ay pa natira. Sobrang laki. Or lemon. Natinik yata ako. Sakit. Sarap. Tatak. Hindi ko alam kung matitake out ko itong dalawang malaki. Ang laki. Yan yung nasa ibabaw. Kailangan ko umalis guys. So I'm gonna ask if pwede ko i-take out yung leftover ko. So may take out box sila guys. Kaya lilipat ko na lang dito yung leftover. Lalagyan ko na siguro ng sauce. Bait nang nag-serve sa akin, guys. Binigyan niya pa akong plastic for my takeout. So guys, I'm heading home na and grabe, sobrang sulit doon. Highly recommended. So kung may time kayo and malapit lang din kayo, visit nyo na sila. Very limited nga lang yung operating hours nila and medyo may pila pero di naman matagal. Thank you so much nga sa pagsama sa aking cravings and see you on our next one. Bye!